Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the gift card code and that you use the same mobile number on both apps. First, open Zomato and redeem the gift card into Zomato credits. This converts the code into wallet balance. Once done, make sure Blinkitt is updated and you are logged in with the same number so credits can be applied. You do this now because Blinkitt reads Zomato wallet balance only when accounts are linked and current. Next, add your groceries and go to checkout in Blinkitt. At the payment screen, choose the Zomato credits or Zomato wallet option. Blinkitt will list available credits pulled from your linked Zomato account. If your credits don't cover the total, pick a secondary payment method to pay the remaining amount. Once you select credits and confirm, Blinkitt shows the adjusted final amount, then tap Pay to complete the order. This ensures credits are consumed first. Finally, after payment, verify the order confirmation and check the order summary to ensure Zomato credits were deducted. If credits did not appear, first update both apps, sign out and in, and restart your phone. Sometimes the wallet sync requires a fresh session. If issues persist, take a screenshot of the redeemed gift card and transaction attempts, then contact Blinkitt or Zomato support with the transaction ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.